Vaza!
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of DownShiftZM. We need to change the clutch plate, change the short shifter. I ordered a COBB short shifter, short throw shifter, please say, and hopefully check the wheel bearing and see what we can do to fix the left wheel bearing. First things, we've gotten the trolley jack. Then next I'm going to get a C-clip tool because on the short shifter we'll need to get a few things from the current stock shifter and add them to the COBB shifter. So I'll catch you on the flip side. Right, so I'm here with my boy Tay. Dope t-shirt, by the way.
Cheers, man.
Yeah. So works are going on in the background there. They're trying to take the gearbox down. That's the easiest way to do it since we do not have what's it called?
Huh?
What's it called? We don't have the chain block to pull out the engine.
Right, sorry.
Yes.
I minded.
Yeah. Okay, so we have a couple of goodies for the car. Over here, there's two boxes. Which one do we start with?
The big one.
The bigger one. This is the bigger one, ain't it?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So, they kind of look the same. Anyway. So here you can see the shifter. The stock shifter is bent, even though right now they've dropped the gearbox, but the thing is the shifter is bent, so we're replacing it with the COBB short shifter there. This is something that the mechanics know I have done, but at least I have watched several videos on how it's supposed to be done, so I'll guide him or show him the video.
I might have a little bit of difficulty recording and instructing, so I'll do my best to show you the whole process if possible. If not, I'll show you the final product. Cheers.